Introducing Steel Blue Toe Protection. Whether it's on-site or on the factory floor, we're always searching for new ways to improve and evolve the work boot. That's why we set out to design the most comfortable work boots in the business. Our hardened steel toe cap uses innovative technology designed to deliver premium protection and superior comfort, shielding you from impact-related injuries. Puncture-resistant, cut-resistant, impact-resistant, roll-resistant, suitable for the most challenging environments. Our composite toe cap is the most lightweight cap on site, utilising pioneering toe cap technology to deliver a strong, durable, flexible boot. Impact-resistant, compression-resistant, non-conductive, non-metallic. Ideal for mobile workers demanding greater flexibility on the worksite and less hassles at security. Toe protection that covers you at all times, from the construction site to the factory floor. Capable of standing up to whatever the job throws at you, no matter the conditions. Made to the highest quality production standards and certifications, and backed by our 100% comfort guarantee. Steel Blue Toe Protection. Built for comfort, made for work.